We're the first people to really see any changes in a patient's status, if they're getting better, if they're getting worse.
We generate the lab results that the physicians work off from. And I think the stat is like 80% of medical decisions are based on the lab results, so we have a huge impact in patient care.
At the end of the day, the results are one of the most important pieces of the puzzle.
I knew working with patients would take an emotional toll on me just because I'm a very empathetic person. So this way I can still help people, but I'm not directly connecting with them. I'm connecting with their specimens and helping them in that way.
And I truly feel like I am doing stuff that matters every day. When I come in, every day is different.
You're thinking differently every day. You're dealing with different problems every day. In the lab here at Porter, we're generalists. You get to work in all areas of the lab: chemistry, hematology, blood bank, and urinalysis, and you get to utilize all your skills. I've always loved science and math. I'm a very science-based person. These are the facts. But it's also fun when we get those scenarios where it's not black and white, where we really have to think and use our knowledge to make sense of it.
Honestly, coming in as a new tech, I was nervous about how I was going to be received. But everyone here is super welcoming, super open to answer any questions.
That was actually one thing I noticed when I started working here. People would greet you in the hallway. You knew who everyone was. You knew the faces of the doctors. Employees say hi to each other even if you don't know their name.
I love coming to work. I love working with my coworkers.
That human connection in a smaller facility, really, there's an advantage to that. The best thing I love about working at the UVM Health Network is a healthy work-life balance is really encouraged.
On my days off, I like to go over to Burlington. I've taken a couple weekend trips to Montreal, even to Maine. That's not that far.
What I love about living here is the accessibility to nature, the mountains, the lake.
I love skiing, I love hiking, I like fishing, kayaking.
You're able to access the city, but then you're also able to escape it and relocate to the peace and quiet.